Hey, Kesha.
What, honey bae?
Where's our tune from again? Harvard?
Oh, I heard of that. It's like a college or something.
Okay.
Oh my god, look at her. She's like a nerd.
Hi Kesha, hi Gaga.
Hi.
Have you all read the problem I wrote on the board for you?
I have sunglasses on.
I have glitter on my eyes.
Yeah.
Anyway, the problem is given that 1, 0 is -4, find all the zeros of the function of x equals x to the third plus 5x squared minus 16x minus 80. And to solve this, you need to use synthetic substitution, and because you know one of the zeros is -4, you divide by that. And so you write all the coefficients from the earlier function. Are you understanding this?
Yeah.
Okay, and then you bring down the 1 and multiply it by -4. And then you add these each time. So then you multiply by -4, and you add, then you multiply by -4, and you add. And because it is a 0, you should get 0 as the last one. And then you use these new coefficients to write a quadratic equation. And then you factor that to get x minus 4 times x plus 5, and that equals 0. So when you solve each of those, you get 4 and -5 as the new zeros. So all the zeros together are -4, 4, and -5. Do you understand?
Honey bae.
Hello, Kesha. I don't get this math thing. I really need some help. Can you help me study?
Yes, I can. Is it number 7?
Yeah. Find the relative minimum and the relative maximum points for the graph of the function of x equals -x cubed plus 3x squared plus 24x minus 12.
Yeah, I got it written down. All you have to do is go to y equals on your calculator and plug in the function. So -x cubed plus 3x squared plus 24x minus 12. Then you want to make sure you set your windows. And it looks like it's going to be pretty high. So I'm going to set the y at -10, but the y max at like 100. And we're going to go by a scale of 20. Okay, and I can see that I have my maximum, so I'm going to do second calc. And I'm going to go to 4 to find the maximum. And you scale up and you press enter on one side and you see the arrow that comes up. Go to the other side and you do the arrow and then you guess where the intersection is. You press it. And it looks like the maximum is at 0.468. Then you do the same thing from the minimum, but I'm going to change my windows again, so the y min is going to be -100 and the y max is just going to be 0 because we already saw it, and we'll go by a scale of 10. And you found the minimum, so you do second trace and you go 3 to find the minimum, and you go on one side of the equation. Oops, I did that wrong. It's okay. You go minimum 3, and then you go on one side of the equation, the left side first, then the right, and then in the middle. And it looks like the minimum is at -2, -40. That's it. Night, honey bae.
Okay, I get it now. Thanks.
Yup, see you tomorrow.
Kesha, wake up.
Okay, so today we're going to learn how to change 135 degrees to radian measures in terms of pi.
Fun.
So what you do first is pi radians is the same as 180 degrees. And then you multiply that by 135 degrees, which equals to 135 degrees pi radians over 180 degrees. The degrees cancel out, and once you simplify that further, it equals to 3 pi radians over 4. And that's today's lesson. Okay, so this is your homework last night, number 25. Can anyone evaluate this? I know Ricardo, Fernando, and Alejandro can do it. Can you guys?
I'll do it. You take the log of 11 and that, okay? And according to the logarithmic theorem, that the log base b to the x equals x, it shows that since 11 and 11 are the same, that obviously is equivalent to b's, and so then you know that the 5 coordinates to the x, which just proves that x equals 5. Okay, so another way to explain this is when you know that log of b to the y equals x, and you know you can write that as b to the x equals y, so then you can take 11 to the x equals 11 to the 5th, and then from there you already know that x equals 5.
Okay, good job, Gaga. Kesha, did you get anything down? It doesn't seem like you wrote anything.
Blah, blah, blah. Did you not actually really get that?
You did get that?
Yeah, I kind of like that.
Me too.
Let's write a song about it. Yeah. Oh my god!
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Smart at pre-calculus. We're math students, we rock the plus. Subtraction, adtraction, matrix. Calculator full of tricks. Yes, of course I know this system equation has 3 rows. And no, you don't want to challenge me, cause I know my trig IDs. D's. Got that A plus by my side. Math equal weeks, my only prize. Keeping Wagner satisfied. With 100% every time. Tonight I'm gonna study. Just be my study buddy. I'm gonna ace this test. My calculator's done. My eraser is gone. Wagner teaches math. I don't know how to solve this graph. Is the answer extraneous? Is the answer true or false? And I'm just gonna do exactly the steps from example 2. Factoring it out, distributing the sign, checking my answers, graphing that line. This is kind of nerdy. Yeah. Okay, I'm done. Yeah.